I'm not picking you up there. You're not supposed to touch those.
Daddy, I can't reach that.
What can you reach?
I'm hitting a volleyball. Look at a volleyball.
It's tight in here now. Your mother said this fits.
It's not fit.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't fit. Yes.
Make it higher. Make it lower. And
You can't make it lower.
let's try that side.
That's just the handle. That's how you hold it.
1, 2. I'm holding it. I lift it.
Steven.
I lift it. I lift it.
What'd you rip?
The laundry thing.
You ripped the laundry thing? All right.
I put back. I put back. I can get in. They picked me up.
Why?
Because
Because
I can't reach the laundry.
you can't reach the laundry?
They picked.
There's no clothes in there. We're not doing laundry right now. Do you see clothes?
I can't see any.
If you don't see any, we're not going to do any.
Give me it. Pick me up. Pick me up. Go to there.
Go to there?
Yes.
Why? No, see? That's why.
I see.
You can see, don't touch.
I touch.
No touch. Steven, what did you say? No touch.
On my phone. This is phone. I'm going to take him up.